Role number 3 is data scientist. If you're analytical, curious, creative, sometimes good at math, then data scientist might be the great career for you. Data scientists do a lot of different things. One, they investigate the data to find insights that help us drive business decisions and figure out what we should be building for our customers. They also build models that predict user behavior using machine learning techniques. Data scientists do a whole lot of cool things and can work in almost every space in every company, not just tech companies. Data science is really a way of the future, but it has a slightly higher barrier to entry than some other roles. There are ways to get into it though, and I'll show you those paths today. Now, data science has a lot of traditional career paths. You can go into math, statistics, software engineering. If you're in the sciences, you might be using data science techniques every day at your job. A degree related to data science usually includes statistical analysis and some technical component, and usually overlaps with research. Now, if you want to go the non-degree path, or if you come from a non-traditional background, going to a data science bootcamp is an option these days, similar to coding bootcamps. You can actually test for a lot of data science techniques in the interview process, and so traditional education is becoming a requirement less and less these days. It is still a requirement for a lot of people because you need some statistical thinking and you need to be continuously learning. So people who are in master's degrees or PhD programs tend to have those skills and that continuous learning ethos, and so they're great fits for data science. Now, of course, you don't have to go directly into data science. Tons of people actually go through feeder roles. The most common one is the data analyst role. The data analyst role uses some of the same techniques as data science, but is a little less statistically rigorous, a little less technical. In data analysis, you still do a ton of work to actually identify what are the changes in user behavior, how can we derive insights to help the product teams and the business teams perform their functions. I've spoken to plenty of data analysts who on the side learn some of the skills in statistics and technology to become data scientists later in their career, and they just get a little bit of boost in salary when they do that. There are other feeder roles as well, pretty much anything that requires data. Product, engineering, marketing, all of the parts of the business where you actually work with data are going to be overlapping with data science. You just need to build those extra skill sets to make the leap.